people and environment. Okay, यार टेंशन people and environment. This unit deal with people and environment. So first of all, we need to get familiar with basic definitions. Population is a near permanent group of interbreeding individual of a species found in a space. So geographical area is a particular point. It is called local population or DEME. Metapopulation is complex of local population connected by the disappearing individual. The main factor affecting populations are natality like birth rate, death rate, migration, pre-reproductive, reproductive, post-reproductive, and population growth and carrying resources. So population density is the number of individuals divided by the space. The term environment is derived from the French word environner, and there's the Environment Act 1986. Environment includes all the physical, biological surroundings of an organism and their interaction. So environment is defined as the sum of water, air and land, interrelationships that exist among and with the human beings. So the flora, fauna, microorganism and the man-made structure, bidirectional interaction with us directly, indirectly, the totality of all these components and their interactions, air, water, land, constitute our environment and influence us directly. We too exert an influence on our environment due to our use of the overexploitation of resources, due to discharge of pollutant. In context of relaxation between people and environment, concept of environmental determinism developed in 19th century. I believe that environment determined how a culture developed, and while European nations believed that people from the warmer climate were lazier, so 20th century environment determines was replaced with the environment possibilism, which believe environment put limit on the people. So the term ecology was coined first Ernst Haeckel, and ecology deals with the study of the organism. It is a scientific study of the relation that living organisms have with respect to each other. So the individual is the organism, the population and the community. Ecological footprint. The ecological footprint measures human consumption of natural resources in comparison to the earth ecological capacity to regenerate them. Calculation of the footprint take place in account of consumptions micro level, macro level. The objective of its calculation is also to educate people about the need to change our consumption's behavior to make it more sustainable. Ecological footprint is measured global hectares. So the organism is this world can be divided into different species just as human and the species. A species is set of organisms that resemble each other feature, and the member of a species living together interacting with each other is called population. So it is an important attribute of biotic community which is determined by total number of species and their relative abundance. Greater species diversity indicates higher number of the niche and greater stability of the community. Keystone species is the significant and the disproportionately large influence on the community. It is often considered low abundance and biomass. Critical link species. There are species that play an important role in surrounding networks. So absorption circulation of the nutrient mycorrhiza fungi help the vascular plants to obtaining the inorganic nutrient. Community. A community is the assemblance of all interaction population different species. Geographical area. It is complex interaction network for the plants, animal and microorganism. Population is the defined role in the community. Ecosystem is from the Ernest Transley 1935. Ecosystem is self-regulating community of the living organism interacting with each other for physical environment. For example, forest ecosystem, ocean ecosystem, all ecosystem on the plants are interconnected and interdependent. There are also exchange of matter energy with the physical environment. In an open ecosystem, there is free exchange of energy and matter with the outside world. Ecotone is a transitional area between the vegetation between the two different plants communities such as the forest and grassland. The influence of two bordering community on each other is not the age effect. Okay, so ecosystems show large variation in their size, structure, composition. However, all the ecosystem are characterized by certain basic structural and functional features which are common. There can be different type of the ecosystem such as the forest ecosystem, marine and the desert ecosystem. Composition and the organization of the community and the physical component decide the structure and ecosystem, and thus the ecosystem have basically two type of component, biotic, abiotic. Biotic is the living component in an ecosystem are either the producer or the consumer. They are also called the biotic component. Producer produce organic component. For example, plants produce the starch, carbohydrate and the cellulose by the photosynthesis. Different living organisms constitute the biotic component of the ecosystem. Producers are autotroph. These produce the food. Green plants produce the food photosynthesis and by the combining carbon dioxide and water which help to the energy and sunlight. Consumers depend upon the producer for their food. For example, human being and other animal. These organisms are their food feeding on other organisms. Herbivorous feed on the plants, rabbit, insect. Carnivorous are those animals that eat for the animal. Secondary and carnivorous feed on the herbivorous, frog and the small fish. Tertiary is the other carnivorous example is snake and big fish. Omnivorous is feed on the both food, plants and animals. And retrivorous feed on the dead organism and the earthworm, crabs and the ant. So on living being that feed on the dead decadal organism is called the saprophytes. They are fungi and the bacteria which does not contain any chlorophyll. Their parasite depend upon living organism and endoparasite which lives inside the body and ectoparasite which live on the exterior. Decomposers are plants and retrivorous, that is the eaten by carnivorous and herbivorous. So abiotic component ecology is abiotic component are non-living chemical and the physical factor in the environment affects the ecosystem. Example, water, light, wind, soil, humidity, mineral and gases. They affect the ability of the organism to survive. They also help to determine the types of number of organisms. Function of ecosystem is grass, grasshopper, frog, snake and hawk. So it is different food chains and food waves. Food chain in sequence, eating and being eaten. So there is a unidirectional flow of energy. It flow from sun and then after capture by the primary producer flow through the food chain and food web. Material in an ecosystem moves in a cyclic manner and the cycle of the nutrient takes place between the biotic and abiotic component. Every ecosystem function to produce and sustain some primary productions and secondary productions, and every ecosystem regulates the maintain itself. So trophic levels are there with the produce bottom, then primary consumer, secondary and the tertiary. Ecological producer primary, secondary, tertiary and ecological pyramids are the producer like plant at the bottom, consumer plants, prey, herbivorous on the highest level and top level food chain. So pyramid of the energy, pyramid of the numbers, pyramid of the biomass, pyramid of the energy. The energy pyramid is always upright and vertical. This pyramid show the flow of energy at different trophic level. It depicts the energy is minimum at the higher trophic level and its maximum at the lowest level. At the each point of level, there is successive loss of energy for the heat and respiration. Pyramid of energy or the energy pyramid is a described old nature ecosystem describing of the flow of energy to the other. There is a considerable loss of energy and heat. First is producer, then primary consumer, then secondary, then tertiary. And pyramid of numbers. The pyramid of number depict the relationship of the term producer, herbivorous and the carnivorous. And there is a decrease in the number of the individual from higher trophic level. The number pyramid varies from the ecosystem Upright pyramid of number, partially upright and the inverted. Upright pyramid, producer, then primary consumer, then secondary, then tertiary consumer. So type of pyramid number is found in the aquatic and grassland ecosystem. In this ecosystem, numerous small autotroph is the herbivorous, which is supported by the carnivorous, and pyramid is upright. Partially upright pyramid, it is seen to be the ecosystem support a greater number of the herbivorous and which in the turn support fewer number of the carnivorous. And hyperparasite, parasite, herbivorous, producer, pyramid of the biomass, upright pyramid and the inverted, and this biomass from the producer to the hierarchic level. In simple term, biomass has represent the net aggregate weight, and this dry weight is the biomass, and it represents the amount of energy available plotted to the producer, herbivorous and carnivorous. Upright pyramid of biomass, producer, herbivorous, primary carnivorous and top carnivorous. Now next one is, this happens when the smaller weight produce support the consumer to the larger weight aquatic ecosystem. Producer, herbivorous and carnivorous. So autotrophic water body having good quantity of mineral and hence supraoptimal growth of water. Oligotrophic water body deficient in the mineral and organic, and dystrophic has undergone organic matter, bogs and marshy lake. So there is the trophic level related. Autotrophic, that is good quantity of mineral is there. Oligotrophic, deficient in mineral, and dystrophic is that undergone organic matter like bogs and marshy lake. Now biosphere, there are different type of ecosystem around us which involve living organism and non-living things. Both combines called at biosphere. Biome, terrestrial portion of the biosphere is divided into biome. They usually have the distinct climates and life form adapted to that of climate, deserts and grassland and typical forest, rainforest, and main example of this is organism population normally live it called the habitat. Habitat is made up of physical factors, soil, moisture and the range of temperature, availability of the light, as well as the biotic factors such as the availability of the food and the presence of the predator. When organisms of different species live together, it's called the cohabitat. A habitat is not necessarily a geographic area. When a particular organism live in a small and specific part, it is called a microhabitat. And for example, within the forest habitat, certain organisms live beneath the dark of tree, and parasite may live in body of the host. For sphere of the earth, the area near to the surface of the earth can be divided into interconnected geosphere, namely lithosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere, atmosphere. Scientific can classify life as a material near the surface of the earth, and this name of the four sphere are derived from the Greek word. Lithosphere is solid, rocky and the crust covering planet. This crust is the inorganic and is composed of the mineral. It covers the entire surface of the earth of Mount Everest to the Mariana Trench. Hydrosphere is the combine of the all water near the earth, and this include the ocean, river, lake and even the moisture in the air. So 3% of the fresh water, furthermore 3/4 of the fresh water is drawn to the glacier. Biosphere is the composed of all the living organism, plants, animal and one called the organism, and most of the plant life is found there. Atmosphere, invisible ozone called atmosphere, which is layer of the gases, nitrogen, oxygen and neon, carbon dioxide. Atmosphere, other planet or moons have very different atmosphere and some have atmospheric atoll. First is the earth's surface, then will be the ozone, then stratosphere, mesosphere and radiosphere and ionosphere and exosphere. Troposphere is the lowest layer of the atmosphere, contains the 4/5 of the earth air, only 18 km of the equator and 8 km poles. Almost all the weather development occur in the troposphere. Air in the development occur troposphere. Air in the troposphere, altitude increase and the temperature also decrease. Now next one is stratosphere, from the tropopause, upper boundary of the tropopause to the 15 km. Strong horizontal wind blowing in the stratosphere that ideal for the planets that can fly in this part of the atmosphere. Stratosphere is crucial to life on the earth because it contains small amount of ozone. Mesosphere, 80 km to the earth. It has the oldest temperature in the atmosphere, dipping the -100 degree, and the phenomena is the shooting stars, also called the layer. It extends to the 690 km ionosphere. Its layer of the free electron ions reflecting radio wave is broken to the D, E, F, F2D layer. Also reflect the particle. It is the thickest, most vertical expansion layer in the atmosphere, that is the temperature thermosphere. Hubble Space Telescope in the International Space Station is the thermosphere. Exosphere is the expand to the contact as it's come contact with the solar storm. Hydrogen and the trace helium, carbon dioxide, oxygen and gases are present here. Pollution is type. Pollution is a negative but change in the environment, usually addition of the something hazardous to the detrimental, generally degradable, non-persistent pollutants such as the domestic swag and the dischargeable vegetable are broken down natural process. Some persistent or non-biodegradable pollutants do not have destroyed. So different type of the pollutants such as the air pollution, water pollution and noise. Air pollution clean, dry and the water 78% nitrogen and the 20% oxygen. The remaining 0.97 is made up the gaseous mixture of the carbon dioxide, krypton and the xenon. It is also known the atmospheric pollution, the degradation of the air quality of natural atmospheric condition. WHO define it as the presence of material in air which are harmful for being. Types of air pollution: suspended particle matter, oxygen of the carbon, hydrocarbons, sulfur oxide, nitrogen oxide, chlorofluorocarbon and lead. Secondary pollutants are not directly emitted from the sources. They are formed as the result of chemical reaction between the primary pollutant. Certain atmospheric constitute in the presence of the sunlight. Sulfate, nitrous organic particles such as the 100 and even 1000. Sulfur trioxide, it is a compound formed with the sulfur dioxide. It combines with the water to form the sulfuric acid. Smoke formation is add to the combine the smoke and fog, and the effect of the smoke is maximum just before the sunrise and entrap between the cold air unable to rise. Now next one is sulfuric London smoke affect the London for very long time, hence name. It is also termed as a reducing smoke. Mixture of component is chemically reducing in nature. This is due to the presence of sulfur dioxide. Photochemical or low Angeline smoke. This is smoke due to the presence of oxygen of nitrogen or atmosphere formed as a result of the vacuolar exhaust. It is formed due to the chemical reaction of the ozone, nitrogen oxide, pan presence of sunlight. So photochemical reaction seasons to the sky. Clear photochemical smoke irritate the eye, lung and cause the cracking of the rubber. Ground level ozone is between the two major classes: air pollutant, volatile organic compound and nitrogen oxide. Acid rain is caused by the chemical reaction that begins when the compound like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides are released into the air. This substance can rise very high into the atmosphere where they mix, react water, oxygen and the chemical to form more acidic pollutants. Effects: acid rain has many ecological effects, but none is greater than its impact on lake, stream and wetland. So aquatic environment: acid rain makes water acidic and causes to the absorb aluminium. Acid rain also damage the forest, especially the higher elevation. It is soil or essential nutrient released aluminium. The effect of acid rain combined with other environmental stress leaves tree and the plants old temperature, insects and disease. Air pollution and aerosol. Aerosol, they are stable suspension of the solid and the liquid particle in air. Aerosol affects the weather condition by the blocking the solar radiation. Deposition of the aerosol on the leaf affects the process of the photosynthesis. Mist. Aerosol consists of the liquid droplet. Aerosol consists of the solid particle, that is dust, and aerosol consisting of the hot vapor, that is fume. Smoke is also the aerosol. Mixture of the liquid and solid particle are the result of the burning. Plume. Geometrical form of the smoke is the mixture of the smoke and the fog. Now, National Air Quality Monitoring Program, National Ambient Air Quality Standards of Air Quality and the Weather Forecasting. National Air Quality Monitoring Program is the Central Pollution Control Board. Air Quality Monitoring Program was launched to this and to disseminate ozone. Ground level is vacuolar exhaust. Lead is the leaded petrol. Sulfur dioxide thermal. Nitrogen oxide thermal power plant. Carbon monoxide incomplete combustion of fossil fuel. hydrogen oil refinery, hydrogen cyanide is the blast furnace, ammonia is the fertilizer industry, phosgene chemical dye making industry. Okay, SPM incineration and the basically manufacturing process. So the information on the air quality is easily understandable for the general public. Particulate matter NO2 unit of this good 0 to 50, satisfactory 200, moderately is 200, poor is 300, very poor is 400. The formulating of the index was an initiative under the Swachh Bharat Mission, Cleanliness Mission, based on the recommendation of the IIT Kanpur and the expert group of this regard. National Ambient Air Quality Standards. The additional four pollutants are arsenic, nickel, benzene, and benzopyrene. Particulate dangerous can be cause adverse health effect and penetrability into the human respiratory system and the eventual accumulation in the human organ and blood. PM concentration are higher in the winter seasons and are lower during the monsoon month. SO2 level are within the prescribed national ambient air quality standards, and decreasing trend may be the various interventions. So implementation of Bharat stage third. In addition to use of domestic fuel LPG, which may be contributed to reduction ambient level of SO2, NO2 level are within the prescribed national ambient air quality standard in the most of the city, and the reason NO2 may be various measures: an old vehicle, better traffic management. Despite increase in the vehicle, the decrease may be attributed. System of air quality is the Ministry of Earth Science and Government of India. System of air quality weather forecasting suffer for the greater metropolitan city. First time it has been combined with the early warning system for the Safar System Institute of Tropical Meteorological Pune. WHO world over most of the emission are there, and even formula pollution situation becomes so alarming in the Delhi that is declaring gas chambers. Delhi High Court, Delhi government stated the odd even formula report that Delhi is the most polluted, and the similar scheme was the Mexico City. The odd and scheme shows the mixed results, and the scheme brought considerable additional benefits. Indoor air quality that was insufficient in burning. So that was also water pollution and its cause. Water cause the 70 Earth surface. What is important resources for the people and the environment? What is the basis for life? Make up to the 60 to 65% weight of the functional living cell. Although 70% of the Earth's surface is covered by the water, what is available to the human consumption? Less than 3% of the world water fresh. Frozen glacier, which is locked to the Arctic and the Antarctica region. So the wise break up water withdrawal. India's agriculture and livestock 91%. Type of water pollution. Point source pollution. The discharge of harmful substance by the specific source, hot water, thermal power plant, and the cause point. So the discharge of pollutant into a water body from the large area leads to non-point source of pollutant, and construction of runoff and the acid rain cause the non-point source of pollution. Industrial wastewater is the both small and large industrial unit produce the wastewater. Hot water industry such as the thermal power plant and oil refinery, and the warmer temperature decrease the solubility. Non-point source pollution, municipal wastewater and the wastewater from the domestic source such as kitchen and the toilet sometimes discharge into the river. Surface runoff is cultivation cause fertilizer and the pesticides seep into the groundwater. This process is known as the leaching. Irrigation and agriculture field cause high nitrate content. Oil spill. An oil spill is the accidental discharge of the petroleum into the ocean and the estuaries, leading to pollution of the marine ecosystem. Impact of the water pollution of the life. Water pollution affects all the organism and microorganism. Let us take a look at the harmful effect of the water pollution on various forms of life. Oxygen depletion in the water body. High level of organic waste increase the decomposition bacteria which use the oxygen, and this cause the dissolve oxygen in water. In other words, biochemical oxygen demand water increase a BO dissolve in the water. Dissolution destruction lead to the sensitive organism, species, phytoplankton and the fish. Biomagnification is accumulation of the toxic chemical in the bodies of the organism and move to the producer to primary consumer to secondary consumer is called the biomagnification. It occurs when a chemical become more or more concentration as a food chain. This is especially true in case of the microbiodegradable chemical or the pollutant, and the classic example it is eaten by the plankton, and the consumption is by birds cause thinning of the eggs which rupture the permanently during their warming. Eutrophication, the inorganic nutrient in the runoff from the agricultural field reaching a water body, increase the nutrient content, cause the growth of the algal, and this growth eventually cause the death of small and organism in the dam. Effect of water pollution on human life. Water contamination due to the domestic sewage and pathogens such as the virus, bacteria, parasite, protozoa, and the worms can cause the disease such as the jaundice, cholera, typhoids, and this is the contamination under to the drinking and bathing, swimming, even irritation. Contamination of the water or by the heavy metals. Heavy metals are the commonly defined as those having the specific density to the more than 5 gram per centimeter. Human health from the this associated with the exposure to lead, cadmium, and the water body and the groundwater due to industrial wastewater affects the health in the number of the way industrial effluent, lead, fluorous and nitrate, arsenic, and mercury is compound in the wastewater converted by bacteria action into the toxic methyl pesticide. Organo phosphate are the present in the pesticide. Fluorides are cause the yellow teeth. Okay, and nitrate is the blue baby syndrome and the brain में भी प्रॉब्लम होता है, fatal for the infects also. Chromium is known the carcinogen. Arsenic, there is the skin cancer, vascular disease, bronchitis, and dermatitis, that is because of the arsenic. And cadmium is because of the itai is I think there is disease in the Japan, that is because of the cadmium. Smoking is the major cause. Cyanide is used to the extraction of the gold and the silver metal, and manganese that is renal degradation. Iron, that is RBC in the water body, cause the abundance of the iron oxides. Effect of the water pollution. Tanker spill, even the small amount of the oil spill across large area of the water can prevent the oxygen dissolve in the water and thus difficult for the oxygen and breath. This oil coating result into the poison and temperature and make them impossible for the survive for the cold temperature. Soil and its pollution cause consisting the mixture of this, that is O origin, freshly fallen leaves, twigs and animal waste and fungi. A origin, partly decomposed organic matter and some inorganic particle. B origin, that is called the subsoil, has less organic matter. And C origin, help to determine the pH of the soil. Industrial waste, heavy metal, toxic chemical, municipal waste, waste for non-biodegradable, radioactive waste, agrochemical, pesticide, weedicide, and open cast mining, that was earth surface for extraction, mineral, oral and degrade. E-waste, that was computer, phone, pesticide and fertilizer, that was farmers, biodegradable controls and all that. Okay, now other pollutant may be the acid rain and water pollutant. Alluvium soil, it is alluvial soil, that is flooding of the plains, especially for the lower course of the river, and the alluvial soil is the very fertile. These are the basically sedimentary rock, and these have the high potassium content, and they are suitable to grow the paddy, sugarcane and so on. Red soil, this was the formed into result of breakdown of the igneous and metamorphic rock, and the soil is found in the area of the India with low rainfall in Madhya Pradesh and South Karnataka. Laterite soil is formed to the mixture of clay and red soil and also the result of the leaching process, and there are minerals such as aluminum, iron and are found in hot and wet tropical area. It is very low fertility and become hard when exposed to air, so it is used for the building material. Regur soil, it is non-black soil, cotton soil and found Deccan Trape. Black soil is rich nutrients such as the calcium and potassium, and apart from this soil, desert soil and the mountain soil is also there. Soil good quantity of the soil can be support vegetation without which life and earth cannot be sustained. It may be the 1000 year forms to the inch for the soil. Building up the organic matter can also be take very long time. So nitrogen is the major gas in the atmosphere. It can be absorbed in for the nitrate, which is carried out the nitrifying the bacteria. Soil ecosystem disturbed by deforestation and the use of heavy machinery, soil compacting, pressing, sewage water is also irrigate fields, sewage, sludge, and the fertilizer. And with intensification of agriculture as a result of green revolution, same type of crop is rain again and again. High yield variety of the food grains demand use of more water, fertilizer, use of the water high salt content, excessive use of the pesticide fertilizer to increase the productivity, and the over exploitation of the groundwater. Noise pollution may be defined as the environment noise that causes the psychological or the physiological damage. And noise is also defined as the unwanted sounds. It irritates sounds of the stress, the hair cell, or the damaged intensity or the loudness of the sound is also from the pressure wave and the affects the just like that. Now measurement of the sound industry, vehicle sound amplifier, cracker, and the passengers fight are there. 40 to 80 decibel is there. 125 decibel the permissible sound level, typical average to the this. Now next is industrial is 65, commercial is 55, residential is 45. And WHO has included noise as one of the most hazardous factor. And hearing loss is there, masking is there, environment curse is there. Now radioactive pollution is defined as transmission of energy material. Radiation is one of the ionic, non-ionic radiation or high energy radiations. X-ray and the gamma ray can be DNA for the harmful. Non-ionizing radiation is low energy radiation emitted by the mobile phones and radio towers. Radiation can be natural and can arise from the human activity. Most radiation exposes from the natural source, rock, earth, and the crust. And radiation particularly associated with the nuclear medicine and use of the nuclear energy. Ionizing radiation, which means the radiation sufficient energy to the interact with the matter. Effects of the radioactive pollution. UV, that was the sunlight important in producing the D wave, but too much exposure is the potentially skin cancer भी हो सकता है. ठीक है. National hazards and mitigations are there. Natural hazards that cause the by natural phenomena. An example of natural are cyclones and tsunami, earthquake, and landslide, flood, drought. Natural and man-made. So this is flooding may cause due to the heavy rain. And sudden strike, shaking of the earth. This the impact of the earthquake is sudden and hardly warning, making it impossible to the predict. Seismology is a study of the earthquake and seismowave. Earth crust is not one of the piece by consist of the pollutions and which is the size of the few 100,000 kilometer. According to the theory of the plate tectonic, plate contact to each other, stress arise and these plates may be pulled away, and if planets get locked together they are moved. So its fault rupture generate vibration called the seismic wave. These are the wave energy that is through the earth layer, body wave and surface wave. And primary or compressional waves also the popular the P wave. Secondary waves are also the S wave. So this was the P wave and S wave faster than the secondary wave. And this seismograph section that travel along the earth crust and the vibrate ground horizontally and vertically. They are all about dangers for the body wave, and this amplitude decrease with increasing depth into the earth. Love waves and the Rayleigh wave. Love waves may move to the ground from side by side confined to the surface of the crust, and Rayleigh waves are the ground to the down and side by side. So earthquake can be shallow, medium, and deep. Shallow focus the earthquake are the most damaging. So Richter scale is the earthquake magnitude or the amount of energy released is determined by the seismograph, which is instrument of continuity of the vibrations. Earthquake with the magnitude of 7.5 Richter scale released energy. Similarly, earthquake that measure 5.0 Richter scale has been a shaking amplitude. So modified is Mercalli scale. It is expressed the intensity of the earthquake effect on the people. Earthquake fraud zone in the India. India has been recently divided into the 4 seismic zone. Ministry of Earth Science, Government of India modified intensity scale broadly zone by the vampires comprises the These all. Zone 4 covers the remaining part of the Jammu and Kashmir. Zone 3 is the Kerala, Goa and Lakshadweep. And Zone 2 remaining part of the country. Furthermore, as a part of the pre-disaster, pre-measure, Government of India has also completed seismic micro-regional studies. And now this is the mitigation planning. The Bureau of Indian Standards and the published by the certain building codes and the guideline for the safe construction of the building against the earthquake. Before the building and constructed, the building plan have to be checked by the municipality. Public education, the public can on cause the characteristics of the earthquake and preparedness measures help to the certain extent to mitigate the national disaster. Engineering structure building needs to the design and constructed as per the law. For this architectural engineering input. Tsunami is a series of ocean which very long wavelength. So earthquake, landslide, volcanic eruption and explosion and meteorite. These disturbances are below the underwater. Tsunami can be have the wavelength ranging from the. As a result of this, tsunami acts as a shallow water wave. A wave becomes a shallow water wave, very large compared to the water depth. Tsunami may reach a maximum vertical height on shore sea level. Tsunami can result in the major destruction, can cause severe coastal erosion which wearing to the coastal land and the power of water. So tsunami are triggered by the sudden events and this earthquake which damages several nuclear power point. Volcano is the opening rupture in the earth and magma within the earth too. This is active material includes lava and gaseous compound of the sulfur, ash and broken rock. Volcano are generate found in the where the tectonic plates are diverged and the subduction zones are placed where two plates usually are oceanic plates and continental plate collides as the case earthquake as well. Volcanic tend to exist allow to the between the tectonic plate massive rocks are there. Ring of fire is the Pacific Ocean eruption of the volcano away from the subduction zone. Hot spot, these are the column taking out the magma from the deep interior of the earth. Erupting the volcano can pose many hazards. Volcanic ash. Large eruption affects the temperature and droplet of the this. Now cyclone is region of the low atmospheric pressure, high atmospheric pressure resulting in the swirling of the atmospheric disturbance. Powerful winds blowing in the anti-clockwise direction to the north and clockwise in the south. So cyclones are called by the various names in different part of the world. Cyclone in India is the strong wind, exceptional rain and the strong surge. Damage of the cyclone. First in the sudden brief ongoing high wind and the cause of major damage in the infrastructure of the particularly the fragile construction. They are generally followed by the heavy rain and the flood and the flat coastal area. By this storm surge is the tidal wave and the undulating land, so there are a loss of life, flooding in the contamination of the water. Mitigation of the cyclone. Green belt is the planting along with the coastal line and scientific intervening pattern are reduced in the hazards, providing the cover through the belt. And this was okay. Flood is the state of higher water level in inundation which is usually submerged. There is a different type of the flood, namely the flash flood, riverine and the urban flood. Flash flood is because of the slope terrain, water flow rapidly with the high destruction and in the flat terrain. So this quickly flash flood are typically associated with the thunderstorm, heavy rainfall, heavy situation of the river beds, reduced blockage in the drain, landslides, construction of the dam, and an area of the prone cyclone. Strong wind accompanied to this. The understanding of the concept of the katabatic and anabatic wind help to the further understand the phenomena of the flash flood. And this term katabatic wind is used to down a slope with the elevated for the mountain plateau on the hill, and this is happened during the night time. And the concept of anabatic wind is opposite to the katabatic wind. Cloudburst is an extreme amount of the precipitation and with hail to the thunder which is normally lasts no longer than a few minutes. And the term cloudburst may be due to the heavy rainfall. The heavy rainfall is because of the havoc Uttarakhand, and drought is the earlier absence of deficiency normal pattern of the regions, and this it is an interplay of between the demands and supply of the water. Natural events It is the slow set of the disaster and is difficulty to the demarcate the time onset. Any unusual dry period result short age useful water. Meteorological drought, it is simply the absence of deficit rainfall. It is least severe from the drought. Hydrological drought, that was reduction in the natural system and storage of water. Agriculture drought, because of the insufficient maintain average crop yield. And socio-economical drought is also there. Wildfire is any uncontrolled fire combustible vegetation that occur in the countryside. A wildfire differ from fire to extensive size, the speed at which this can be there. Okay, now landslide. Term landslide include all the vertical mass movement hill slope, and these landslides are because combination of all the material along with surface falling, sliding, flowing and slowly quickly from one place to another. So landslides are primarily associated with the mountainous terrain that can occur activities such as surface excavation and highway and building and the open pit. So landslide take place in the conjunction earthquake, flood and the volcano and the prolonged rainfall causing the landslides. Cause of landslide: geological material weakness in the composition structure of the rock or soil, erosion of the slope top due to the cutting down of the vegetation and the construction of road, intense rainfall, heavy melting of the snow, and earthquake and volcanic eruption. Exploitation and natural resources, they are basically two approaches in the context of man environment, that is the environment and possibilism according to the determinism of the earth. So nature not just a matter of the chance we are capable of doing. Man is the subservient to nature. According to the pragmatic positivism, anything is possible. Man is intelligent and knowledge skills are there. Exploitation of natural resources key factor for the growth and development. Main resource for the exploitation of natural resources. Deforestation going to be the shaping climate and geographic. So mineral and energy source coming industrialize the emerging economy. Exploitation natural resources intensified the decade. Rapid industrialization, urbanization, all this gauged to the electricity generated mainly from the thermal power, which further fossil fuel in manufacturing industry primarily in the urban area. So during the 12th century, world population increased and now transport vehicle also run mainly because of the petrol, diesel and natural sources. Transport and consumptions are there. Now large quantity of the plastic waste is also there. Damage to the environment, use of the huge quantity of the paper in the educational institute and offices. Timber is large quantity, a large area of the available for the agriculture to the feed population. High yield variety of the crop have been developed to increase the agriculture output. Now, availability of the technology, intensive agriculture practice, cultural conservatism, non-equitable distribution of the resources. Next is what is next? Next is natural resources is iron, that is the hematite, magnetite, lignite is there. Hematite is 68%, magnetite 60, lignite is 50. Chromite is also essential for the manufacturing of the stainless steel. India deposited high grade iron ore. Now bauxite is the aluminum ore and the aluminum is used to manufacturing aeroplane. Mica, largest producer of the exporter India is there. And copper, that is the metal with a very high thermal electricity conductivity. Manganese, India is the third largest in the manganese. India is the manganese deposit Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. Limestone high silica content होता है. This is in the Bihar, Jharkhand. Gold is the Kolar, Karnataka, that was the world which makes the mining very expensive. Salt is also there जो lakes में मिलता है. Coal is there, that is Gondwana and the extra peninsular area. Petroleum is also there, sedimentary rock से मिलेगा. Now यूरेनियम एंड थोरियम बिहार, राजस्थान, इग्नीसियस और मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक्स में मिलता है ये. ठीक है, यूरेनियम, इग्नियस एंड मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक्स, सिंहभूम and Rajasthan. More about chromium is a mineral that aids to the body ability to use the insulin to convert the carbohydrate into energy. So it is used to the many industry naturally. Now Hexavalent chromium does not occur naturally but produced by certain industrial process. Breathing is chromium dust or fume is the main route for the chromium. Plants can absorb chromium and it can be passed through the eat the plants. Exploitation of the forest resources are also expansion of agriculture. Shifting cultivation is the reason. In this cultivation, a small patch of the tropical forest is cleared, vegetation is destroyed, and crop grown is long soil is produced. So cultivation is moved to the fresh patch. Timber harvesting, logging and the timber source is important asset for the prospecting. Commercial wood is food. Now this extension of the cultivation of the hilly slope. So the concentration of this farming narrow flat stop and the many medicinal plant. Wildfire, not all the deforestation, the intentional sum is caused by the combination of human and natural factors. Okay, now next one is negative effect of the deforestation. Climate change. Deforestation is the main driver of the climate change and conventionally tree play a critical role in the greenhouse gas. Now deforestation of the tree covers the quantity of the greenhouse gas severity global warming. Tropical deforestation is responsible for the 20% of the world greenhouse gas. Intergovernmental panel climate change. Deforestation is the 1/3 of the total anthropogenic carbon dioxide emission. Other plants remove the carbons and into the atmosphere during the normal. Now this is actively growing can be tree and forest and wood. Greenhouse gas is atmospheric that emit to radiation and greenhouse gas atmosphere are water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide. Reduce the moisture content in the environment. Forest soil moist without protections and cycle returning to the water vapor. Effect of deforestation are this is in turn change in the erosion rate and availability of the water. Decrease in water precipitation. So tree are removed, there will not be any evaporation resulting in the much drier climate. Thus the help to the preparation the water cycle by the returning water vapor back into the atmosphere without tree to fill their roles. It will result in reduce the rainfall and many farmers forest land would quickly into the barren desert. Deforestation reduce the content of water, soil and groundwater. Now soil erosion, these roots are the bind soil together and if the soil is sufficiently shallow they act to keep the soil in place by binding the underlying bedrock. Tree removal, steep slope with the shallow soil and risk of the landslide, so quicker transport surface. Flooding and more localizing floods are deforestation, general rate of the soil erosion. The most common cause of desertification, cultivation of desert land, overcultivations and depleted faster restored. Vegetation play a role in determining the biological composition. Decrease with the increased vegetation. Overgrazing is also a cause to the erosion. Forest cause the precipitation, maintain the humidity and air humidity not only result the less precipitation, solar heat to the ground during this. Result of deforestation there is higher wind velocity which increase the rate of soil erosion. Exploitation of the mineral resources, fast depletion of the high grade mineral deposition, over exploitation of the mineral and this increasing damage compelling mineral to dig lower grades and wastage of the dissemination of the mineral that is deposit consists complex mixture of many elements. Pollution of the environment from the mining and the processing waste destroy the vegetation covers and largest environment disaster. Each step is mining, processing and this produce large quantity of waste. Pollution caused by the heavy energy requirement mining industry. Energy is required to step namely concentration, smelting, lack of the skilled labor. Okay. Law of conservation of energy is the stored and process the potential energy. Non-renewable energy source, they have the high calorific value. Technologies able to exploit these are sources. Primary energy and secondary. This primary energy converted to the convenient, it is called a secondary energy. Coal and sunlight converted to electricity. Mechanical energy is the body energy is possessed by the virtue of the motion possibility. When the body is motion possesses kinetic energy. Potential energy is the body due to the position. So thermal energy is energy substance for the relation to temperature. Chemical energy from the molecular. Now we will discuss next topic nuclear energy and then we'll solar energy Then cause of climate change. What are the cause effect of climate change? Key development of the global warming, why it's happening, UNFCCC Conference of Parties COP, conservation of biodiversity, biosphere reserves, and this will be finished. Okay, so for today this is enough. I discussed the energy and the environment.